Welcome back to As in the Hot. Ezuku Chukwudi Anunkumi inside studio, and we will discuss double header, as we call them. Two important stories when they affect all of us inside Obodo, Nigeria. The meeting of the National Working Committee of the All Progressives Congress, and the other one we talk say headsmen and farmers again for inside Kaduna and Adamawa State. They talk say 26 people now lose their life for that particular incident. We dey discuss how we go take we find permanent or lasting solutions to all these problems so that we go fit sleep with two eyes closed for inside Obodo, Nigeria, and know say okay when it come next year or the years to come, people no go arrange our budget come pad the thing when we say that they pad inside. Nkubi.
Yes, and we still collect our cause, and the issue basically are very two important ones. And before we go that break, then we be get this in Solomon. They talk about how if we take ensure say at least we will ensure say at least things they on ground to ensure to provide security for the people. So and you can also complain so if the government know they fail on its part, say the individuals should also do it and rise up to the expectation of also providing security for themselves as well. Okay, furthermore, the issue of the meeting where they would hold. If you also listen to waiting this person talk, there is a particular statement where Jubril talk in one of his interviews related to this matter. He said something. He said, if after all this matter, this particular thing where they play out now, this pardon issue, and after all the documents where he don't submit, where we say will be fact according to him, we no can really fit address this matter. They don't take any action. And he come and say this matter can eventually do it. They can't sweep them under the carpet. He talks, say, look, they fight against corruption. It's not there. Not there he end. And which is a very, very strong statement. And which is the statement we should hold on to as Nigerians to ensure, say, corruption. Say we no do it. Say we ensure, say, it work. Say we fight them. Joseph, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Joseph.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, we hear you. Right on.
Okay. What I want to contribute is saying, if people they call on from USA or from other countries, they are not in Nigeria. They don't have any contribution because they are not here. They don't know what is happening in our country.
Okay, we hear.
They are living where they have freedom of everything. Nobody is. They doesn't know what is going on in our country. People are dying. Somebody will come outside and say that if they are killing, they should protest that. People should come out. They are taking law into their own hands. If government come out now and say, okay, something was happening in social village, the youth here, they start killing. They will start arresting innocent people that doesn't know anything about it. Our former president used to say there is God. They say because he's not a dictator, that's why he's saying all those things. And I support her, there is God. These things are happening. Their children, not these are big men, their children are not in Nigeria. They send them outside the country. All those that are happening is not affecting them. That's why if they are killing a poor man's children, they doesn't care. And they will not care. They used to say, if your child is stealing inside your house, you do not advise him well. When he went out and steal, they killed him there. That is for him. That is the benefit of a parent that does not teach his children well. Our government, what I want to talk is that our government, they know that APC, they are the people who bring those Boko Haram, people that they are spoiling PDP government. For them to change them away is very hard to drive these people away from this country. What we are praying is that let God in heaven just help us so that all this nonsense will stop. He's the only man that can defend us now. There is nobody in this country that can guide us again, that can protect this country except God.
Oga Joseph, thank you very much for your important contribution. We appreciate the fact that you don't talk your mind. We'll go see address some of the points where you raised. Mama will take Oga Emeka. Oga Emeka standing by on top of our telephone line. Oga Emeka, good morning and welcome to As in the Hot.
Okay.
Good morning, Emeka. Okay, Emeka, I beg, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
Okay, no problem.
I'll continue to hear you.
Oga Emeka, continue, we hear you.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Emeka.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, thank you. Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, Oga Emeka.
Yeah, you know, like with your Oga Chukwudi, they talk. Okay, like with your Oga Chukwudi, they talk. If you watch, Oga Chukwudi always they right for the contribution of this issue in this country. Actually, like this issue people are talking about this X-Men. They are still doing that. Government refused to interfere in this issue. The other time, we get angry with this issue. The other time, area in Warri here. We went to take action before. Our leader said, no, we should forget about the issue first. We should calm down first. They will take the matter to the higher level. Till now, we didn't get any reply. Look at the little farm our women are doing here. When you go to the farm now, all the crops and all those things, the cows are killing them day and night. Nobody to intervene, nobody to talk. When you cry to the leaders or the government or whatever, they don't intervene about the issue. And like what our president is doing now, like what Chukwu is saying, the cows, is it more important than the human being that are dying? Because if the cow is more important, if they say let anything they want in the country or whatever, say they are the one that are on the power or whatever, they are the one that can control, they are the one that can do whatever they like. They say we should take any action, we will take if they don't do anything about the issue, because we are feding up. So that's why I want to contribute about this issue, because I know that when we are saying this now, they don't care about it. They only care about the selfish interest, about to lose their money and all those. That is what they are fighting for.
Okay, Mika, thank you very, very much for that contribution. And we'd also give your own little advice to the whole issue. We get Oga Sam. Oga Sam, they call us from Ikoton. Good morning, Oga Sam. Oga Sam, good morning. Oga Sam, you there?
Good morning, my friend Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, my friend Ezugo Chukwudi.
I greet you, Oga Sam.
You are man of the people. Permit me to digress to a little bit of what we are forgetting in this country. That is, I'm going to quote from the book, Because I Am Involved. The primary aims of government should be to maintain a preferential option for the poor as the true base of social justice. I believe that the justice of a community is measured by its treatment of the powerless in the society. Those described as the widow and orphans, the poor and the strangers. In our land, economic justice must be measured not by what it does to the rich or to the middle class, but it does for the society at large. I reject both state-controlled socialism and unbridled capitalism. I believe that the needs of the poor takes priority over the desires of the rich. The right of the worker over the maximization of the profit, the preservation of the environment takes property over uncontrolled industrial expansion, and production to meet social needs takes priority over production for military purposes. I am distressed to find that the distribution of income and wealth in Nigeria is so inequitable that violates the minimum standard of distributive justice. The richest 10% receive more than 50% bottom of the poor. Then 10% of the own are owned by 60% of the rich, quote and unquote. May God bless Emeka Ogbogochukwu. Now, subject matter. People are dying. And yet, the government in power, they have called the issue of, we know traditionally that the Hausa Fulani herdsmen are pastors of cattle. But today, they are set to cleverly count out the one Hausa Fulani herds. So therefore, they are killing and killing and killing. This is typical of Boko Haram. Now the army has subsidized subjecting Boko Haram to a place where they cannot control them again. Now let Buhari give order to the same army, military, to go full force, full-fledged for the herdsmen. Otherwise, we are in problem. Number two, the APC issue, the issue of pardon on pardon. APC is fighting battles that are lost before they fought them. Because from the sake of this government, they have pursued Saraki to become state president. They are yet to finish with that. Pardon or pardon, it has become an issue where Dogara and
Abdulmumin Jubrin.
Now, let there be this issue for the system to discuss. Judiciary should stand its ground. Let it be independent of ICPC, FCC, and other committees to probe. Not even episodes to come in now.
Very true.
God bless Nigeria. Good morning.
Thank you very much, Oga Sam. We appreciate this, your intelligent contribution just like every other person. We get Peter on top of our telephone line. Oga Peter, thank you very much for your patience. Welcome to As It Hot, all the way from Moshin.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
We greet you, Oga Peter.
Good morning, Peter.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
I want to drop my electric contribution.
Okay, well, they hear you.
Concerning about the Jibril and the Gara.
Okay.
One thing I know is this. Is when the APC-led government started, personally, I have no faith on them. Because the emotion they carry come to Nigeria is not to come and rebuild, but to come and destroy. What am I not saying? When you look at the things around this nation called Nigeria, and for once, they can never for once point at one thing which they have done in this very country for one good year. That shows you that they don't have any good intention in this country called Nigeria. Now they say they are fighting corruption. Inside them, they are corrupt people. There's people that they are clamoring for, fighting for, led past government. They say they loot money and other things. But they forgot the vital thing which they're supposed to do. Before you fight someone who is holding your pain, you must get grant first. You must have something, a grant, before you get something to fight that person. And that is you get is all about the economy. The economy is going back every day by day. But they don't think or mind of it. Jibril accused Dugara of funding budget. Now, instead of them to fight that as they do fight for others, they now call the committee to look into it. Is that kind of a transparency of fighting of corruption? They have there is an organization or people that is participating on, they always participate on that kind of issue. Why not then allow those people to go in to do it the same thing they do to others? They freeze the account of Governor Fayose. Why wouldn't then ask the PDP-led government to participate on that of a thing? Then they now brought it out so that everybody will see. But on their own, they cover it. I am sorry, there will not be any good from this particular government.
Peter, thank you very, very much for your contribution. You pour out your heart on this one seriously, and I believe our leaders, they also hear these complaints. That is these reactions when they come from Nigerians over all the matters we will not drop. And quickly, we could go for another quick break. When we come back, we'll enter the final lap of the program as It Is Hot. Yes, welcome back to the program now as It Is Hot. And at the final lap of the program now we don't enter. And then make also remind what we talk about. We carry double, that is double headers come on our way. We'll talk about the headsmen attack we play out for Adamawa and Kaduna State. We'll also tell you about the meeting where the National Working Committee of APC hold with that is Oga Jibril Abdulbumeni over this pardon matter. We'll get a caller right now. We get Chinwoke. Chinwoke, they call us from Mafoluku for Lagos. Good morning, Chinwoke.
Which one be Chinwoke?
Mr. Nkubi.
Chinwoke, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
I greet you. Why they call your name Chinwoke? Chinwoke. Are you give her the name?
Chinwoke, talk to us, Jare.
Chinwoke.
See the way they call her.
Oh, Chinwoke. Chinwoke, Bayoka, talk to us.
Right. My own contribution are based on the Fulani herdsmen where they kill people for this country. And nothing to for he's talking about the one in the House of Assembly. That one will just make noise, talk. Our government, they know the people where they fight. They are fighting
their enemies, not fighting corruption. Talking about the Fulani herdsmen people, I believe if the community, the youth in the community themselves, because if we wait for this our president to do something about this whole thing, let me say we waste our time, people go just they die, they go. If the community themselves go reinforce themselves, the youths for the community go reinforce any state in this country will just reinforce themselves, hold themselves tight, say, okay, they won't take up this thing with these people. We go find out, say, we go eradicate all these people come off our communities. Because you cannot tell me, say, government, the whole president of the country, they see people, they die. He see the one way happen for Enugu, see the one way happen for Wele, see the one way happen for many states. You know, they even talk about them. What thing they talk now make states they allocate grassland, they graze land for cows so they eat. Those cows they more important than human beings themselves. Then if we wait for those governments to come do something, definitely one day they go say they enter Lagos, kill all of us waiting for Lagos. Government go still continue. Then nothing concern them for all those ones. So if the youths of each community when they enter will just hold themselves together, say okay, this thing we go fight them. You know, every time they say those Fulani people, those herdsmen go kill the whole youth for the community. We go battle them out. They go battle them out with them. And at the end of the day, you go find out, say, we go eradicate them, come on for this country. That is my own contribution.
Thank you very, very much, Nwoke. You don't also drop your own side of this solution to the whole matter. But then, in as much as we go also they talk, say, okay, maybe we need to do it in ensure say we provide security for ourselves. But at least you get how far away we carry and go. We get Precious. Precious, they call us from Yaba. Good morning, Precious. Precious, good morning. Yes, we hear you. Precious, talk to us.
I can't hear you.
We hear you. You bring down the volume of it. Yeah, good morning.
Actually, what I will say about this.
Precious, you there?
What I will say about this government is that our president doesn't have that sense of leadership.
Okay.
So what I'm seeing here from dependents is what we have there is rulers. Nigeria don't have leaders. What you call that are people like Obama and some other presidents like Gaddafi. Not this. If it's truly a president, if you have taken a serious action, this headman's killing of human beings, at least human beings are more precious than
heads. Precious.
Hello.
Would they hear you? Continue. Would they hear you?
Sir.
Would they hear you? Continue.
So, what I'm saying is that the parents should look into this thing. Another place is now is another place. So let the people let Nigeria rise up and say something about it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very, very much, Precious. And the same voice where every other person don't talk on this particular matter. The same voice and Precious don't also do it. They also give you own this thing. But you could okay, Blast will get another caller. Dave, good morning. Dave, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, would they hear you?
Good morning.
Talk to us. Dave, would they hear you? Continue.
It be like say the network no agree or God Dave making contribution. From what everybody don't talk, who could be very obvious say Nigerians they united on one particular thing, and that particular thing I say we support government we won't bring change and better to the lives of Nigerian people. But Nigerians want to make everything they open so that everybody go fit beat their chest, talk say yes, so this government they really do what we want, and the government they do exactly what it go make Nigeria move forward or go make Nigeria better. It's very, very important to make government no let the patronage when they enjoy or the respect when they enjoy from plenty Nigerians, if not for anything, because the people believe say President Muhammadu Buhari na clean man. Based on the way we miss our politicians, they live their life, say that they spend money or they get foreign account or they get property abroad. It go good make the president do everything when if he do to use ensure say indeed though, like he promised Nigerians going into the elections that the interest of Nigerians that him carry for mind. My own, and I sure waiting plenty Nigerians they talk now say these killings when they see every day. I no go fit show this paper make everybody see am, but I dey very sure say plenty people go don see this particular paper. Now if you dey waka, you come see human beings like this when dem lie for ground, when dem talk say na herdsmen kill them or na something will happen because say these people come die like this, your fellow countrymen, e go dey make you dey shed tears and you go dey wonder say, am I really safe in Nigeria? People dey run, dey leave their communities, they abandon their homes. So e go good make government declare emergency for that particular situation. See say okay, wetin our security people dey do, make dem do am to use ensure say Nigerians are safe in our own country.
Yes, you don't talk and finish because if this thing, if not something don't they play out over time, we not be able to today start just as I talk. And the company say we never even see one sign of saying that they address and just talk. I tell you, say this government really no get anything to do about this thing. It's as simple as that. Now what do you mean? Because if we don't talk about this, it can't involve the loss of life. I mean, come on. What is it people they take? Anyway, we don't talk and finish and. I will also thank all our callers. We also call to contribute on today's issues we will carry come. And until tomorrow, we will do it too. We will bring another important matter. We concern us, we concern from me and Chukwudi. We will say bye-bye. Chukwudi, tell them your own bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Why you bring your tone voice now?
Because of people when they die now. As a comrade, the thing they touch me. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.